This is the 4th annual Spring Fling. Mark Gates of the State of New York Car Club. His car show today is open to all Lincoln Mark series from 1940 until 1998, and also it's open to the Lincoln LS from 2000 to 2006. Our club is also open strictly to Lincoln Mark 8s and the Lincoln LS. Here's some members that came out today to support the club. We have the Mark 7 section over here.
One sandwich deals discriminate against your hands. One gets a sandwich, the other hand sells Schneider buckets. Only Burger King has a deal both your hands and your mouth are gonna like. 2 original chicken sandwiches for just $4. A legendary taste of crispy chicken, shredded lettuce, and creamy mayo clams, $2 for $4. Right now,
these are all the Mark 8s.
Original chicken sandwich in both your hands for just $4 every day. Same sandwich for the price of if you want plus,
here's the Lincoln LS section. Nice turnout. If you own a Lincoln LS and live in the tri-state area, you definitely want to join up. It's a fun club. You'll have a good time. Here's some of the classic Mark series.
Now, this motorcycle season, I will be announcing 2 charity runs each weekend with radio spots donated by the law firm of Cavalier & Associates to help make these events an even bigger success for these worthy causes. If you'd like to contact me about an event or benefit you're going to have, go to Facebook and search Josephine, one word, the lovely JoJo, to secure your date. The schedule is already filling up as we speak, so make sure to let me know as soon as you can so we can work on your ads to be played the weekend of your event on this radio station. For more on Cavalier & Associates, check them out online at lawliny.com or call 8